We're back here with the same helpers.
Many hands make light work.
We're here weeding.
Anything that looks like this. We don't want these in our garden beds either.
We're adding more soil. We're gonna mulch around the beds so that when the kids come back, they're ready to see the baby seedlings. They're ready to collect the seeds that are dried on the plants that we have, and they're ready to learn. When it's done, all dry, and all the seeds will go back into the ground, and you'll see the next part of the plant cycle. We are at Conway Elementary School that has been amazingly supported by our HDR engineering firm partners. They came last spring to help us install the school garden. Every single student planted a seed in the spring. We're back here with the same helpers. They want to come back and help get this ready for the next school year to get growing.
Years ago, pre-COVID, Conway had gardens, and of course with COVID during that time, they kind of disappeared, weren't able to maintain them. So when Amy reached out from sustainability and asked if we wanted to start a garden again, it was on the top of our list to give that experience to our kids. HDR is the partner through the sustainability office, and they have come out now to start our beds. They've dedicated a lot of time. Just the manpower in general putting the gardens together has been incredible. The kids have been so excited. When they saw the leaves come, that was the first time you could hear the joys, and of course the kids trying to claim, that's my seed, that's my seed. So they're really looking forward to it. They've just been very excited to watch the progress. So this really gives them that dedicated space to make sure they have that opportunity to see it in real life and not just in a textbook, not just on a computer screen, not in a YouTube video. They get to watch it happen in action, and every day they get to see the leaves sprout, okra grow, the parsley come, and all of those things really change the way they get to experience it. And when we get to put our hands on something, it means so much more and makes that impact long term on their learning.